Hello there, Cancer. Welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Today we're going to be talking about what's going on for you guys in your love life, okay? So if you are here today and if you are new, welcome to the channel. I really appreciate you being here. I hope that you have a good time finding your way around my channel. There are monthly guidance readings here. You get some weeklies, and you also have bi-weekly love guidance. And every blue moon I may do some pick a cards for you guys, okay? So feel free to browse around and see what's here. Also, if you're interested in getting a personal guidance from myself, at this time there is a sale on that, 29% off. So check out my website, ferrarico.etsy.com, and you will also see the link for that down below in the description box. Just hit the title of this video to find it. As you're watching, if you guys feel like you resonate with this, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and become a subscriber. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. All right, join the community, join the family. You guys are gonna always receive very positive advice here. If you want some positive advice about what's going on, you don't really want to look forward to hearing all that negative stuff, and come here. All right. All right, so Cancer, let's talk about what's going on with you guys, okay? October 16th to the 31st, how you and your person of interest feel about each other and how you see each other, okay? So this is going to be very interesting for you. Now, how you feel about this very particular person that you are interested in dealing with, or that you are dealing with, okay, at this time. So Cancer, for you, what I'm getting is conversations sparking up, right? Sparking up some good conversations with someone, but I'm also getting a lot of people talking about you and this person. A lot of rumors are buzzing through the streets about who is so-and-so. Everybody wants to know, who is so-and-so? Who is this person? People are even saying this person's first name. And people are like, who is so-and-so? Who is this? Like, is this who the Cancer is dating? Is this who the Cancer is interested in? Is this, like, are they a thing? Are they together? Are they dating? Are they, So people are really talking. A lot of people are talking about you and whoever this is. And it's like you do have some opposition. You do have opposition because there is a person outside of this connection, like a third wheel to this connection, who is very, very doubtful of this connection between you and this lover. And this person is doubtful only because there's a lot of people talking about your connection. So it's like this person is jealous because a lot of people have you and this person's name in their mouths. And so this person's very jealous about it. Now, people find you and this new love interest or partner very attractive together. They find you to be a good match and perfect for one another. They feel like this is no ordinary love, like by the singer Sade from the 80s, I believe. This is no ordinary love. And you and this person are very different from each other, or maybe you guys are just right. You could be just right for each other, but people did not see this coming. Maybe they didn't see them coming. They didn't see you coming. They didn't see y'all coming together. They didn't see you guys being the soulmates to each other, right? So that's what I'm getting here. It's like people are just like, huh? Really? Them two? I like it. I like this. So it could be different. It could be something about this connection that makes people kind of feel awkward about it, but they actually really like it too at the same time. And it's something about this connection that feels like love. It feels like strong. I don't know. It's something that is tear worthy. It makes people cry or makes people get mushy about this because they see you and this person love each other, and they're just like, oh my gosh, wow, can't believe this, wow. People are just like, they just love your love. They love how you love them, and they love how they love you. All right, so people just really can't get over this connection between you and this person. Um, I think it was Taurus's reading who sounded like this. So some of you could be dealing with a Taurus since it sounded just like this so far. Okay, some of you could be. Um, but what I'm getting, so what this person, your person of interest, feel about you, this is someone who's pretty relaxed during this time frame. They keep everything simple and plain. They're not doing anything extra. Everything is straight to the point. Everything is cut and dry. It's no ego. It's no drama. It's no confusion going on with them and their feelings. They know exactly how they feel about you. They know exactly what they want with you. They know exactly who you are to them. They know exactly how to love you. They know exactly how to make you feel. This person is like not sending you any type of confusion, no drama during this time. They don't even have an ego towards you. They simply love you. All right. So they're pretty chill about this connection. You may feel like they have a better character. They're showing a better side of themselves at this time. They're showing more concern for your life too overall. They really care about you. They're more considerate towards you, more courteous about you. So it's an energy where I think that there's a lot of onlookers and a lot of people talking about your love. And what people are saying a lot, what I'm getting right now is that you keep this person under control during this time. It's something about you. And I'm talking to primarily a woman, Cancer, dealing with a male. Something about you keeps this person under control. If this is a Taurus that you guys are dealing with, then this Taurus is known to flash out. This Taurus is known to flash out, right? And you guys could flash out too, being a Cancer. But a Cancer versus a Taurus flashing out is two totally different things. It's kind of similar though. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's really kind of similar how you and this person really would wild out in a time when you're angry. You're very similar to each other, to be honest with you. But I think you both would do the same things, to be honest. And people don't say that enough, but Taurus and Cancer kind of has that when I get upset thing going on, right? But it's you can't deny the fact that a Taurus would go harder because it's just an earth sign, right? But I think that it's something about you control and keep them under control. This person shuts up. They just shut up when it comes to you. This person does not handle things with you the way that they would handle things with other people. If you say don't, this person will not. If you feel hurt, upset about something, they're not going to test you. They're not going to do that. It's something about this specific time frame where and it's not anything bad. This is more like attractive. Them feeling like this about you attracts them to you more. They like this. They like the fact that as a Cancer, you're kind of coming out of your sensitive side, and you're not being so moody. You're being more like, don't play with me. Now, moving on. Right? And so they love this. This is actually something that's driving them wild, to be honest with you, but they're not really showing you that they're attracted to it. They're just quiet. They are quiet. This person's quiet as a mouse, but they actually really, really like this. So this person is really enmeshed in your energy, and they keep a tight watch on you. You guys are you both have a controlling type of personality when it comes to this connection and how you both want it to be. But this time, you're not trying to control the connection. You both are knowing that you both have that power to control this connection, but you're not purposely using it on each other. You guys have learned how to humble yourselves with the power of that control that you both have. And what that did, you both learned how to transmute the negative issues of control that you had into positive, sexual, attractive, passionate control things. So it's like when you get all bossy and firm with them, they get more attracted to you. They want you, they crave you more. When they get like this with you, you want them more. They turn you on more because they're like telling you like it is. So it's something about you both using your power in a good way this time. So this person seems to be lurking. I mean, lurking on you all over your social media, all over it, looking at everything you do. Very in tune with you, very interested, very into you. And it's because of the way you treat them right now. Something about how you're treating them is driving them insane. Something about the way you talk to them. Something about the way you handle your business. You do your thing, you shut them down. It's like something that you do that's like, I'm that guy. Don't play with me. Or I'm that girl. Don't do this. Don't play with me. It's something you're doing that makes them feel like, well, damn. Lock me up, throw away the key. Right? So that's how this person feels like you have control in a good way, and they like it. So the way you see this person, you see this person as having a very bright and big imagination. This person can turn imagination into manifestation just because of how creative they are. This person thinks in such a creative way that ordinary people may think that. For some reason, the word ordinary keeps coming up for you guys. So pay attention to that word during the last 2 weeks in the month, ordinary. But this person, it may look to other people that they're being creative, like they're expressing some type of art or showmanship or skills or something like that. But they're actually manifesting things into reality by what they're creating. They're actually making things happen. What seems to be an illusion for some is actually a vision for this person. It's a future vision. It's something that this person is doing that they see that they want for the future. It's something that they really want to happen, and they're doing it through their creative expression, which ultimately I feel like trying to be with you, Cancer, right? And so this person has some fears about this connection. They feel for some reason that sometimes you could project that things are not going to work out, that it's all going to be a disaster, that this is just an illusion. Sometimes you may not believe in this connection the way that they do. So they create this like fantasy world in order for you to believe in the magic that is here, that is in control ultimately of you two coming together. They want you to really believe that this is really for real. And they do it in a creative way that, or like I said, ordinary people wouldn't know what they're actually doing. But this person is using their creative talents to manifest you two to be together. They're clearing the slate for you. And this person, at the end of the day, no matter what you can say about this person, you'll know that they've stayed real. They kept it real with you. The way they see you, they see you denying someone they see you denying a lot of people, Cancer, for them. Wow. They see you turning down everybody, any option, anybody. It doesn't matter who they are. It doesn't matter what they have. It doesn't matter how much money they've got. It doesn't matter. This person sees you rejecting people. You could be rejecting or turning down a Scorpio for some of you, because Scorpio's last reading came out like this. So for the October, so some of you could have a Scorpio that's really into you, but you could have denied a Scorpio, okay? For some of you, but it's like somebody that is just having to watch from the sidelines, and no matter how much this person desires to be with you, you don't want that. You don't want that as the result. Some of you are just like, well, I don't care who had a dream about me, I'm not fulfilling it. Something better is on the way. That's truly going to make you happy. So you saw a lot of red flags with somebody else from the beginning, and your person sees you telling people, like it seems like you're telling a group of people that you're not for them, you're only for one person. You're shutting things down for them, right? And that's what I'm getting. Wow, you and this person, this is a very, very strong and intense love connection where people are very, very interested in you, especially you, Cancer. People really like you, really want you. There's a hater, there's an person hating on this, and it could be a Scorpio, all right, for some of you. All right, and that's all I have. God bless.